How's it going, everybody? Daner here with North Central Builds, and welcome back to another exciting LEGO unboxing. Today we have something very special for you guys. With Halloween just around the corner, I figured it was time that we break out some of the Halloween and horror-themed LEGO sets, and this right here is actually the Hidden Side series. This is from the year 2019 and 2020. It is actually discontinued now, but this is a super cool series. It's getting harder and harder to find, and there are some really cool sets within the Hidden Side series. It mainly revolves around ghosts and these team of kids that go around and hunt these ghosts. There's actually an app that you could download, and you could actually see different versions of the Lego minifigures, but the app is unfortunately discontinued. But that doesn't mean that you still can't build some of these awesome sets. Right here we have the Drag Racer. It is 134 pieces. It comes with 2 unique minifigures that I do not have yet. So super excited to tear this thing open, add some new minifigures to our collection, and also see what this thing looks like when it is completed. I'm definitely going to be opening some more Hidden Side and horror themed Lego sets. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure to stay tuned for the future videos. But before I can start tearing into this set right here, I would really appreciate if you guys would smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and also hit that bell notification so you can follow along with our new content as it is being released. And then without any further ado, what do you say I bust this bad boy open and see what kind of pieces we are working with, and then take a look at these awesome new minifigures that we have to add to our collection. Let's get it, guys.